Evan 360 makes it easy to offer fast and effective support for manufacturing issues. Your organization's Evan 360 Support Hub is personalized to help your members quickly locate the issue they need assistance with.
In this example, a plant operator notices a temperature fluctuation in a furnace at 2 a.m. The operator knows that a very expensive batch of product could be ruined without immediate action, so he uses Evan 360 to immediately connect to the right available engineer and take corrective action.
Then, in as few as 3 clicks, the member's request for help is pushed directly to each expert that is qualified to assist. These experts are notified via the Evan 360 mobile application and are shown to be available to help. Once selected, your experts may use Evan 360's built-in tools to resolve the employee's issue. These tools include chat, phone, and video conferencing apps like Teams and Zoom. Experts are also able to keep detailed notes, which can be referred to in the future. After each help session, Evan 360 collects immediate feedback that can be used in reporting and to improve future experiences. With Evan 360's ease of use and instant connection, experts resolve issues the first time, and employees get back to work quickly. Get started for free with the form at the bottom of this page.